All right, we are starting to see a very nice bounce after the sell-off yesterday with Dogecoin, with cryptocurrencies. Is this finally the bottom? Are we going to start pumping again? In this video, I'm going to be answering all of your questions about Dogecoin, where we are headed, what is going to be going on in the next couple of days, the next weeks, where is Dogecoin headed? Make sure you stay tuned for the whole video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up everyone, my name is Myles. I have many years of investment and trading experience, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin, giving you the latest and greatest news about Dogecoin, talking about cryptocurrencies. So if you want to stay up to date, if you want to make a lot of money in cryptocurrencies, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time sensitive videos. And every day I make trade alerts, give you guys updates for cryptocurrencies. If you want to get those trade alerts, those private updates, if you want to talk to me on the phone, if you want me to build a portfolio for you, teach you how to do technical analysis, join the Patreon in the link in the description below. I highly recommend it. Also, through the Patreon, you can join the 4,000 active member Discord chat group community. It's also very awesome. All right, so tonight on my Instagram, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the 200 Doge from last week. I wasn't able to announce it and give the Doge away yesterday because I was on vacation. But if you want to enter in to win the 200 Doge this coming Saturday, all you have to do is like the video, put anything in the comments below, follow my Instagram and my Twitter. And go ahead, give the video a thumbs up if you are a Dogecoin supporter. If you love Dogecoin, you're a supporter of Dogecoin, go ahead and hit the like button. And let me know in the comments below, are we done with these dips? Are we going to continue going down and down and down? Or is this the bounce? Was this the bottom yesterday? Are we headed up from here, entering back into the bull run? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about just the overall crypto market, Dogecoin, and understand the environment we are in. So what we have seen is the last couple of weeks, of course, a lot of cryptos bounced up, went up really fast, really strong. They hit all-time highs, they broke records, they were breaking records almost every day. And then we had a sell-off due to Elon Musk tweet. After Elon Musk tweet, it caused a lot of fear to enter into the market. And if you guys know who Cathie Woods is, she's the CEO of ARK Invest. She's one of the smartest women investors in the world. And she came out and said the other day that she thinks BlackRock, which is one of the biggest financial institutions in the world, they have over $7 trillion in assets under management. And they recently were starting to get exposure, allowing their clients to invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency assets. But she believes that BlackRock called Elon Musk, pressured Elon Musk because they have a large amount of holdings. They're huge investors in the Tesla. She believes that they told him to say something basically to cause Bitcoin to crash, to go down. And it basically includes the entire crypto market. So these are whalish games. And what they are doing is they're actually buying Bitcoin. They're buying these cryptocurrencies at the dip. Financial institutions that cause all of this fear. You have CEOs of financial institutions, people that are basically whales, coming out on Twitter saying negative things about cryptocurrencies, yet they're investing in cryptocurrencies at the same time. That is market manipulation. It is the purest example of market manipulation and why cryptocurrencies have gone down. Cryptocurrencies have gone down purely because of market manipulation. There is no fundamental news, there's no fundamental errors in any cryptocurrencies to cause the market to go down. Whenever you see cryptocurrencies that there's like a lawsuit and they're gonna basically eliminate or make it illegal in a country like the US or like a major company, or if you see like Bitcoin, getting hacked, or if you hear of Ethereum, the network stops working, things like that. Those are fundamental errors, and those type of errors, that's when you want to sell. That's when you want to sell a cryptocurrency. But there's been no fundamental errors. There's no fundamental problems with any of these cryptocurrencies, yet they're continuing to go down based on false news, fear, rumors, and so on and so forth. When that happens, that is called market manipulation. And when you have been in the market for a long time, you see this play out over and over again. Unfortunately, that's how the big whales play. They try to scare the little guy because all the little guys together can cause a major reaction. That's what we've seen with GameStop. That's what we've seen with AMC. That's what we have seen with Dogecoin. When the little guys band together, even though they're only buying or selling a little bit, they can cause a whole market to do crazy things. And in this case, the big guy has scared the little guy into selling off, which has caused fear, which has caused panic, which continues to bring these little people that are new to investing, never really experienced drops before. They're fearful and they're selling. They're trying to preserve the money that they're investing in. A lot of these people can't afford to lose the money that they're investing, so they're pulling out so that they can salvage some of what they have left, especially since they've bought in at the tops and things like that and so forth. And if you guys want a really good cryptocurrency platform to buy Dogecoin with, or even buy stocks with, definitely use my Webull link in the description below. If you deposit $100, they will give you two free stocks up to $2,200, which you can immediately sell, buy Dogecoin with, or even send it back to your bank account. Highly recommend just checking it out. So just understanding what has happened, it's just a lot of market manipulation, people being scared, and it causes panic selling, it causes sell-offs, and these sell-offs can cause fear into the market for a period of weeks until you start to see big bounces. That's when institutions start to buy more. That's when you see cryptocurrencies start to pump. And whenever you see these things start to pump and start to go up again, then the little guy gets back in. They have fear of missing out, and it causes a chain reaction, another strong bull run for a period of time, months, weeks. It could last for a long time, and you will see cryptocurrencies go back to where they were and higher. That is going to happen this year. I firmly believe that. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I firmly believe these cryptocurrencies will probably be 5 to 10x what they are now, especially at this level. So personally, what I'm doing is I'm buying these dips because I believe in cryptocurrencies. I believe in Dogecoin. I understand the potential of Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, where they will be based on their technology, based on their fundamental understanding. I know where these cryptos are headed, so that's why I'm buying these dips. That's why I don't get fearful when I see these huge crashes. Honestly, it doesn't even really bother me because I'm not looking to sell my cryptocurrencies today. I don't need that money today. I'm investing for the long haul. I'm investing to invest into something that will grow. Whenever you invest into something, nothing can grow all the time, every single day. It takes time. It takes years. It takes weeks. It takes months. So you have to have patience when it comes to investing. But let's go ahead and do some technical analysis. Let's look at Dogecoin. Let's look at the overall crypto market cap and see where we are headed. So we're looking at the 1 hour time frame, and I just want to show you guys, even though yes, we've been selling off, even though we've dipped a good bit, take a look at how cryptocurrencies have moved. Look, we had the first bottom here, we had a second bottom here, and a third bottom here. Look, they continue to go up and up and up and up. And just to be specific, we are in an uptrend after this major crash. Look, the lows continue to get higher, and the highs are going to continue to get higher, which will confirm the uptrend. But if we take an overall look at cryptocurrencies, especially at Dogecoin, look, it does look like we are continuing to form again another inverse head and shoulders. We have the head right here, we have a shoulder right here, and we have the next shoulder just beginning to form. So if Dogecoin can get up to approximately 37 cents and we do get a breakout up here, we will see some massive numbers. We will see some massive numbers in a very short period of time if we can break this 37 to 38 cent level of resistance. And just taking a look at the chart, my assumption is, because we have another level of resistance around 43 cents, is we will probably pump all the way up to this area, 43 cents. That is if we can break 38 cents. And if that does happen and we can actually break past this, then we would be breaking the level of resistance in the immediate short term, which could then catapult us into some very great heights. And we're seeing the same thing. Look, this is the overall crypto market cap. We've seen a bottom and we see two troughs that are not as low. So that does show you an inverse head and shoulder that might be playing out. And remember, there's a high percentage chance of inverse head and shoulders playing out for a bullish breakout. And taking a look at the crypto fear and greed index, look, we are seeing more fear again. Fear is starting to come back. However, we are starting to see some recovering in the market, which I believe will start to bring us back to greed here in the next week, the next couple of weeks. But getting back to the chart, back to the overall market, I think Tuesday is going to be the very green day. We could, yes, continue to be green now, tomorrow and Tuesday, but generally the first day of the month is very bullish for cryptocurrencies and holidays. If you take a look at the holidays, you will see low volume because people aren't trading, people aren't investing. They're on vacation, they're doing things. And financial institutions are generally closed on these holidays. So you will see low volume, and that's when the retail investor starts to sell off and you see little sell-offs. But if you are, diligent and vigilant, you can catch these really big dips and make a lot of profits. And some of these dips you're able to catch out because of my call outs in my Patreon, which I highly recommend. I do daily trade alerts to the best of my ability to call out these bottoms so that you can buy the bottoms and make a lot of profit very quickly. So overall, in my opinion, I think that we are headed up. I think that we're going to be continuing the bull run, and I think that this week is going to be green. However, this can be totally wrong. This is just my opinion. Nobody knows when the market is going to go up or down. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But just based on my experience and technical analysis, it looks very good for Dogecoin. And don't forget, we have a bunch of catalysts coming up in the relative short term, so stay tuned for those. If the market continues to be bullish, when those catalysts come out, they will help to propel Dogecoin past $1 to the moon, and so on and so forth. So if you guys like today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.